cultural journey, let us take a moment to reflect on the true purpose of such an event.
Huwag mo kapatulan, walang magagawa, kaya sila'y nakaon ng panghiran ko.
Congratulations, Jeneline L. Cadalin, outstanding teacher of San Jose Elementary School.
Schools Division of Negros Oriental, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Office Order 392, Designation for Teacher in Charge, to Mr. Silito Munchi Cortez Jr., Master Teacher 1 of Manhuyod National Senior High School.
Number 390 Census of 2024. Designation for Teacher in Charge to Mr. Dave R. Tubilan, Tito Manhuyod National High School, Kauswagan, Manhuyod District.
Ayun,
Dapat siya, background ko ba? Okay na.
Kamu lagi na.
Ano, Chad, that's okay.